Today I'm going to show you how to add clean, accurate captions to your videos for free using Canva without any extra apps or complicated exports. This is perfect if you are editing fast YouTube videos for your channel and you want subtitles that look modern, stays consistent with your branding and takes just a couple of minutes to set up. First, open Canva and start a new video project. You can pick any format you want, but if you are doing standard YouTube, go with 1920 by 1080. Select the clip you want, then click open. Canva will start uploading it, just wait until it's fully uploaded. Once it's ready, click the video to add it to your design. After the video is on the canvas, go to the left panel and click text. From there you'll see a selection called dynamic text and inside it you'll find captions. Click captions, then choose the video you want to generate captions for and you are good to go. If you have multiple video clips, you can select which ones you want captions for, but if you are working with one single clip, it's usually already selected. Then just hit generate captions. Give it a few seconds and Canva will automatically add captions to your whole video, in sync with what you are saying. I usually keep them in a lower third, centered with enough padding so they don't clash with the YouTube's UI. If you want to fix any wording or punctuation, click the captions and open the captions editor. You'll see every line in order and you can edit any part instantly. The best part is that the captions update live, so it can correct a word or clean a phrase without breaking the timing. If you want to remove a specific caption line, you can delete it directly from the captions list. This is super useful for cutting filler words like or deleting anything that looks messy on screen. If you want your captions to match your brand and not look like basic subtitles, this is the part where Canva really helps. Go to fonts, pick something clean and easy to read and stick with it. I personally use Anton Bold, it looks modern, it's super clear and it reads well both on desktop and mobile. After you choose the font, adjust the size so it's readable but not huge. Next, choose a color that fits your channel. Most of the time, white is the safest option because it's easy to read. But if you want a more branded look, you can use one of your accent colors. Just make sure the text still stays clear even in a busy background. To make captions pop on any footage, don't rely only on colors. Use effects. You can add a subtle background, outline or shadow so the text stays readable even on bright scenes. Then, if you want to make the captions feel more dynamic, go to animate. You can apply a simple animation like a gentle rise, fade or pop. The key is subtlety. Captions should support the video, not distract from it. Finally, watch the whole video and make sure everything looks good. Timing, spelling, line breaks. If something feels too fast, you can tweak the text, shorten a sentence or remove unnecessary words, so the viewer can keep up. And once you are happy, export your video and you are done. That's it. Quick, clean and fully customizable captions inside Canva. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.